Hello everyone, take a strand from hairs from both the side, tie it, flip it and tuck it in. Repeat the same process thrice. Now braid the tail, use Topsy Tail to tuck the ends. Take a strand of hairs from both sides, tie them twice at a distance, flip it up and tuck it in. Gather the hairs into two sections and make a braid. Spin the braid around into a bun and pin it. Take a strand of hairs, tie it, flip it up and tuck it in again. Now repeat the process twice. Make a braid, spin it around into a bun and pin it. Leave a strand of hairs from both sides, gather the other hairs, make a bun. Now make loose braids and a head, a hair claw, pin it. Leave a strand of hairs from both sides, gather the other part of hairs and make a braid. Now gather the hair left earlier and braid it together. Make a bun, now pin it. Take a strand of hair from both sides, tie it, flip it and tuck it in. Now separate the hairs into two sections and braid it. Pull the random section out, make a bun, add hair claw. Take a strand of hairs, secure it with hair elastic, flip it up and tuck it in. Repeat the process thrice. Now add hair clips. Take a strand of hairs from both sides, tie it up, flip it and tuck it in. Gather hair into two sections, tie them, flip the tail up and tuck it. Repeat it, tie the tail and flip them up again. Now hide the ends and add hair clip.